Una AI meets you where you work, whether talking to Una through Claude, or entering data using Una AI's web portal, or by using Una Excel. Una AI gives you 3 ways to engage. Let's see them all now. You've signed 2 new wholesale partners for Q4 2026, but these new agreements mean higher legal fees, so your budget needs to reflect that. The current plan shows legal fees for October of around $15,000. Let's tell Claude to update the legal fees to $45,000 in October. Here you can see Claude opening the plan to make the October update. And here, Claude tells us it is done and made the update. Now let's go look at the web portal again to see if Claude actually made the change. And we can see that October correctly shows $45,000. While we're here in the portal, let's also update November and December using our spreading capabilities by spreading $90,000 across those 2 months, so all 3 months will show $45,000. And what about the team that lives in Excel? For that team, open Una Excel, and you can see the same numbers as updated by Claude and the web portal. 1 business event, 1 update, every entry point working in sync. Una AI meets you where you work. To see more of Una AI in action, visit una.ai and schedule a demo.